Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making pork chops. I have 3 pork chops. I have my air fryer. That's the way we're going to cook them. These are completely room temperature. They're not frozen or chilled or anything. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. So I'm going to put some nice seasonings on these and we're going to cook them in the air fryer. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So first, I have olive oil spray. You can do it any way you want, but I'm going to coat these on both sides with olive oil. So now I'm going to make a nice coating for my pork chops. This is a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Right here on the screen, I will have the measurements for these ingredients. I have salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Italian seasonings, and ground mustard. So I'm going to add that to my Parmesan cheese, and let's get this all mixed together. And this is going to be the coating for my pork chops. So now I'm going to coat my pork chops. Press it down and get both sides. So right here, this is my holding plate. So my pork chops are ready. So I'm just letting you know that this is the amount of extra breading that I had for this recipe. You could easily make 4 pork chops. Here's my air fryer. I have it set 400 degrees, 20 minutes. I'm going to check it at 15 and I will let you know how long it takes me. I'm going to preheat my air fryer. I will be flipping it halfway. This is the way my air fryer works. It says add food. It's all preheated. So now what I'm going to do is spray it with non-stick spray, and then I'm going to add my pork chops. Mine works perfectly for 2 at a time. So now we're going to start the cooking process. But I will check them at 15 minutes. Okay, the way mine works says turn food at the halfway point. Ooh, they look nice. Look at that. That's the halfway point. So we're going to flip them over. And this is the other side, slightly lighter. So now we're going to continue the cooking process. So the internal temperature to be fully cooked is 140. These are cooked through 15 minutes. Let's plate it up. Look at my pork chops. Oh my goodness, they are beautiful. Let's taste them. Okay, you guys, here's my pork chop. I cut the little pieces already. The Parmesan cheese gives it a good flavor. So these are my Parmesan pork chops. Very, very tasty. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.